Okay, we have a few of these kits. I'm just gonna run through them a little bit and show you which ones we have. This one says the power of mushrooms. So the benefits this would, okay, it boosts the immune system, it reduces cholesterol, and naturally antibacterial.
That's neat. I didn't know that was on there.
Yeah, mushrooms evidently are pretty awesome. These are oyster mushrooms, and they have as much protein as steak by dry weight. How about that? So, it's pretty simple. Steps. Hold on. The steps. Day one, you just you open the box and soak bag overnight. Days 2 to 6, water and learn.
Well, we'll get more into that later.
7,
because
yeah.
we're gonna do each one.
Yeah, we'll show, I guess, what they
do
as we have them. Let's see here. Next thing we have, back to the roots kitchen herb garden. So you got your mint, your basil, and cilantro. Okay, everything included to grow: organic basil, mint, cilantro. All right, you got a 3-pack here. Basically the same kind of thing. And we have a fabric raised garden bed. A fabric raised garden bed. I think I said bread. Anyway, so.
And this is actually pretty neat, where it says grow one, give one. If you grow one and you tag them on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, then they will donate to a school, to each classroom. You know, you get to choose one classroom per kit, and they'll donate one. I think that's good for schools.
So basically that's like just a fabric style inside garden.
And every kit has everything you need in it except for water. So that's all you have to add.
And if you like to relax, Lavender Grow Kit. Alright. Yeah. You can grow you some of this. Just cut it off, throw it in your bathtub, soak in some lavender, reduces stress.
Is that what you're going to do to me?
I might. Depends on how much lavender we have to share after I'm done with it. So,
let me see.
Farm to table.
And it shows what you can put them in, so you can put it inside of your cupcakes.
Okay, that's just weird. People eat lavender?
Yeah, it's actually good for you. And I'm sure it would taste good.
You've ate lavender?
I said I'm sure it would taste good.
I guess anything tastes good, you put sugar on it, right?
I mean, it's just got health benefits.
All right, well. We got, for those people who love a little spice in their life.
Yes, me.
I'm not really all that big a fan of
and
hot
it does
stuff,
say
so.
100% guaranteed to grow, which it must be true because we did one of these before and it did work.
All right, so that's the chili pepper one. And you got your sunflower one. I don't know if this is the big sunflowers. I doubt it, since you got this mason jar here that most of it's non. You don't have to transplant it. You let it just grow right here in the jar, and it stays in the jar. And then you have your sunflower. And all right, so we also have this self-watering grow kit.
It's a cactus.
Yeah, it looks like aloe vera. That looks like an aloe vera plant.
Succulents and cacti. So I thought it was a cactus. Okay. Oh, look, it's got a rebate inside. So you could save $5. That's apparently what it looks like.
Let's see. And we also got the Kids Grow Kit.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Watermelon and green beans are mine.
And then we got organic giant green beans.
That's it.
And for those,
Right?
and for those who don't like to grow stuff in their house and they don't want that in their house and all that, they also have these. They also sell seeds that you can put outside. You can grow in your garden. Some people, you know, they'll till their land and they'll put their vegetables and things like that in the garden. Some people have raised beds.
And these all came together as a kit, as a set, I should say. I believe it's 20 of them. You want to run through which ones?
You got mint, basil, oregano, parsley, jalapeno peppers, tomato. Okay, this is tomato beefsteak. It's tomato red cherry, tomato Roma, onion evergreen bunching, bell pepper, sweet call wonder,
arugula,
wow, cucumber, carrots, zucchini. Who the world eats zucchini?
Zucchini is good.
Radish, bean, which is a blue lake bush bean, cilantro, spinach, pea, which is snap sugar daddy, oh. And lettuce, the green leaf black seeded Simpson.
That's weird.
So yeah, you get all those. We're gonna film all this stuff as it grows and everything. And if you like this and this is something you're into, give us a thumbs up.